Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share a very beautiful, very stunning, very polished videos of this is so amazing and gorgeous videos of crop top and top blouses designs ideas. Crop top and top blouses are used in different amazing videos, different amazing designs, the more stunning videos, and different top blouses are demanding articles and demanding videos. If any videos related to any patterns, related to more creative videos ideas, and you will be amazing videos and just say some things for creative designs and newest videos, more amazing designs ideas. So I will more amazing videos I have shared with you. I have shared with newly things, newly attractive, newly fabulous videos ideas are crochet work with more amazing videos and crochet many designs, many attractive videos of top blouses, crop tops, and using different patterns, different newly things, and crochet it's say some things for newly projects, newly ideas, and this is so amazing videos. So I will more amazing designs and amazing designs, keep more fabulous videos we have to share with you. I have shared with newly things, newly attractive videos, and keep more fabulous designs, just say some things for creative videos ideas. Hope everyone likes so stunning videos of top blouses. Top blouses are used in newest designs, newest videos, and different patterns, different perfective videos I have shared with newly designs. Keep more fabulous videos I have shared with you, and so I request you all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification, all subscribers, all newly members. This is some things for creative videos, creative designs, and it's amazing top blouses. Top blouses, it's so gorgeous videos I have shared with you. This is fantastic and newest designs, newest videos, and more creative things, more creative design. So let's go, inshallah we will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Thanks mom.